Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video from WEBA, and today we're going to talk about how to pair your wireless headphones to your iPhone. In this case, I have Skullcandy headphones, so this video is for people who just bought an iPhone or switch from Android and do not know how to connect their headphones. I will show you step by step. You can also have your smartwatch connected at the same time. That means all three devices can be connected together. So I will show you all of that. So let's begin. First step, turn everything on. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, Wi-Fi is turned on, your smartwatch is already paired to your iPhone. When that it's ready, you are good to go. Okay, so make sure you have all turned on. Step 2, prepare the headphones. In my case, I have two pairs of headphones. One pair is connected to the smartwatch, but right now we are not connected that one. To connect the Skullcandy headphones, take them out of the case, go to settings, Bluetooth. You will see your smartwatch already connected. Now wait on the other device until the Skullcandy headphones appear. In my case, they appear as JIV true. So tap the name, you will see connecting, then they will be connected. Step 3, test the audio. Put your headphone in your ear, play a video. If you hear the audio through the headphones, the pairing was successful. The process is very simple. Important note. Right now, two devices are connected, the smartwatch, the Skullcandy headphones. If you want to connect a different pair, you must repeat the same process, okay? Usually, headphones reconnect automatically every time you take them out of the case. If you put them back into case, the audio will return to the phone or to the smartwatch depending on your setup. Okay, so in this example, this watch does not have built-in speaker, so the sound plays from the phone. If you want to connect the watch headphones instead, you must repeat the Bluetooth pairing process and select the device. That is for today's video. If this video helps you, please give us a like, leave a comment, share this video. Bye bye.